Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 on mobile. First, understand that the full Modern Warfare 3 game isn't directly on mobile, but Call of Duty mobile provides a very similar and engaging experience. You'll need to download the official Call of Duty mobile application from your device's app store. Make sure your phone or tablet meets the game's minimum system requirements for the best performance. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable gaming session. Once installed, launch Call of Duty mobile and either create a new Activision account or log in with an existing one. This is crucial for saving your game progress and accessing all features. Next, dive into the settings menu to customize your touch controls. Adjust button layouts, sensitivity, and aim assist to match your playstyle. For a more traditional console feel and improved accuracy, you might also consider connecting a compatible Bluetooth controller to your mobile device. Call of Duty mobile offers a wide array of gameplay modes, including classic multiplayer options like Team Deathmatch, Domination, and Search and Destroy. Take time to explore each one and find your favorites. To sharpen your skills, spend some time in the training grounds to practice aiming, movement, and weapon recoil. Remember to strategically use your perks, score streaks, and weapon attachments to gain an advantage over opponents during intense matches. For advanced play, effective team communication is key. Use the in-game voice chat or quick message system to coordinate with your squad and execute strategies. Always stay informed about game updates and new seasonal content, as these often introduce new maps, weapons, and events that can change the meta. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Keep practicing, adapt to new challenges, and dominate the mobile battlefield.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.